computer-aided facility management system, Plan-On, allows building liaison officers to report maintenance issues located in your building or associated buildings, along with additional support requests such as portering, cleaning or environmental services. This guide will demonstrate how to track, open, and all requests using the Plan-On system. Plan-On will allow you to track both open requests and requests that have already been completed. To view any current open requests, click on the Track Request function on your dashboard, then click on the Track Open Requests button at the bottom of the panel. The displayed results default to your name, extension number, and email address that was on your BLO application. To display further search parameters, click on the Show More Search Options button. You can use a combination of these parameters to define the search. For example, if you wanted to search for all jobs in a specific building that you have submitted, enter the name of the building under the Property field, click on the result on the drop-down menu below the field, then click on the Search button. If you wish to search by property code, click on the blue arrow on the Search field and enter the code in the Property Code field. Click on the Search button. Select the requested building. Then click on the Search button again to display the results. If you wish to redefine the search to include the project code as well as the property, click on Show More Search Options. Enter the name of the building under the Property field or search by property code as demonstrated in the previous video. Click on the blue arrow on the Project Code field and enter the project code you wish to search under. Click on the Search button. Select the project code from the displayed result and click on OK. Now click on the Search button on the Display field. The results will display any requests you have submitted using this project code at this property or building. The Track Requests function will allow you to search multiple project codes using the search facility. To do this, click on the Show More Search Options, then click on the blue arrow in the Project Code search field. Enter your first project code into the search field and click on the Search button. Check the tick box beside the displayed result and repeat this process. Click on the OK button once you have entered for all project codes you wish to search for. Click on the Search button to display the results. Should you wish to narrow down this search to include a property also, you can do this by clicking on Show More Search Options. Enter the property in the Property field and click on the result in the drop-down menu. Click on the Search button to display the results. The results will display any requests that have been submitted for this property under either of these project codes. Plan-On allows you to use the search function to search for requests submitted by other BLOs. To do so, click on the blue arrow on the Requester field. Should you wish to add their first name to the search parameters, click on Show More Search Options, entering the surname and first name in the relevant fields. Click on the Search button. You can then select the displayed result. Click on the Search button again to display this BLO's open requests. Once the details of the alternative BLO appear in the Requester field, you can use the previous demonstrations to narrow the search results specific to your inquiry. If you work in a large property or building that contains multiple BLOs, you may wish to check the Plan-On system to ensure the issue has not already been reported by another BLO before submitting a request. You can use the Property Search function to search for all open jobs in your property or building. To do so, remove the information from the Requester field. Click on the Show More Search Options button and enter the name of your building. Select the results from the drop-down display. Click the Search button. The results will be filtered by the most recent request displayed in the Reported On column. The display panel contains a pin function. Click on the Show More Search Options button on the display panel to show all search fields available. You will see there is a pin icon located beside the Property and Project Code field. By activating the pin function, it will allow you to toggle the selected fields on and off on the display panel. Once you have defined your search parameters and populated the result in the table below, You can use the scroll function to scroll through or click on the white chevron on the right-hand side to navigate through the results. To view the full request, click on the result displayed. You can then scroll through the details of the request. The help desk will keep the request as up-to-date as possible from any communication provided by either the maintenance or services teams. This will be displayed in the Details of Work Required field. To view the full information, click on the More link. To take you back to the displayed results, click on the Back button. To exit to your dashboard, click on the X at the top right of the display panel. When using the Track Requests function, please be aware that if a submitted request does not appear in your recent requests, our help desk have not accepted it yet. Please contact the help desk on 028919755152 or email estates.helpdesk@qub.ac.uk as further information may be required before the request will be accepted. The Track All Requests function allows you to track both open and completed requests. It uses the same functionality as the Track Open Requests process but will display all requests based on the search parameters. By using the same processes highlighted earlier in the video, you can define your search parameters to display by requester, property or project code parameters, a combination of two or even all three parameters depending on the nature of your inquiry. You can see from the status column which orders are open and which are closed off as either being completed or cancelled. Plan On allows you to export the data from the Track Request function into a downloadable Microsoft Excel file. To do this, click on the export icon located on the right-hand side of the display panel next to the print icon. Within the Excel file, the default format is set to CSV. To save this as the standard Excel file format, click on File, then Save As. Select the directory you wish to save the file to, add a file name, then change the file format to .xlsx. Similarly to the export function, you can choose to print off a hard copy of the data or create a PDF version. To do so, click on the printer icon to generate your browser's print preview setting. If the layout defaults to portrait mode, change this to landscape mode. To print off a copy, ensure the destination field is set to your department's printer and click on Print. You can also print individual requests by clicking on the request line, then clicking on the print icon at the top right of the display panel. To save a PDF version, change the destination field to Save as PDF. Then click Save at the bottom of the display window. For any further guidance or additional information, please contact the Estates Help Desk on 02890 975152 or email estates.helpdesk@qub.ac.uk.